How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix a broken scroll wheel scrolling in both directions for the Razer Viper. Now, most people encounter this problem with one simple solution. Basically, why does this problem occur? In most cases, there's going to be trapped debris, dust onto this scroll wheel right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually try blowing onto the scroll wheel gaps or corners, making sure that it gets cleared of those tiny debris and dust, clearing the scroll wheel sensor. Now, if this didn't fix the problem, you can also try using something like a contact cleaner in order to make sure that it completely wipes out the stuck debris onto the scroll wheel itself. Now, if that didn't work, the last thing that you want to do is to simply strip your mouse from its case, and then you can try manually cleaning the rollers right here, fixing the scrolling problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.